Yo, what's up, baby? It's Nick with the Hauler Junk Removal. Today's January 1, first day of the year. We're just cruising, me and Finn, just throwing the ball around. But I've been getting a lot of questions about my fleet, and people are always asking me, hey bro, what do you run? What kind of trucks do you have? This and that, blah, blah, blah. Why don't you buy a new truck, bro? Why don't you have one of these beautiful Isuzus that cost you 70 grand and you're making the money, whatever? Because we ain't crazy. So what we run, I run a beautiful 1973 C30 Chevy. It has a small block in it. So does it get great gas mileage? Hell no. But my registration fees are low. Insurance is cheap. And look at this bad boy. Basics. Got your nice bench seat. You got your manual transmission. Got your beautiful cassette player. Who are we playing right now? With the Cars going. It's back in the day. The radio really doesn't work in it. Oh, heater doesn't work. AC doesn't work. So on those cold winter mornings in California, you gotta wear a jacket. And when it's hot in the summer, you gotta roll the window down. But other than that, it's fine. It's got the PTO dump system. What else does this bad boy have? Look at this. It has a beautiful toolbox that we got from a job. Brand new, from a brand new Bronco. The guy's throwing it out. So we charged him to haul it and we installed it. But this carries all our tools in it. All the stuff that we need to haul your junk away. Got our beautiful signs posted on the trucks. Got to have that. This thing's a 12 foot. It's about 12 yards. I don't know. So that's our one truck. And then our second truck, we have this beautiful 1991 Dodge Cummins diesel. Here she is. With signs that she is also a beast. 4x4. Straight 6, 12 valve, million-mile truck. Let's see if she's unlocked. Oh, look at that. She's open. Look at that. 4x4. This one is automatic, so it makes it a little easier to drive. We have all the gauges in her, so we can watch in case she gets hot, dropping oil or whatever. What else? Oh yeah, this truck, there's no AC either. So in the summer, gotta roll the window down. But there is a heater in this one. So it's a little bit more comfortable in the winter. But this truck, we just run around town, pick up single items, super easy, drive downtown San Diego, whatever. And you can put a lot of stuff in here. So that's what the Hauler Junk Removal runs. Those are our vehicles. We got two. Plus we got a little trailer that we're getting right now. Big flat trailer, 14 feet long. Just a flat cargo trailer that we're getting. So yeah, that's our fleet. So if you need us in the North County, give us a holler, haulerjunkremoval.com. We can handle any job, big or small, we'll do it all. Take it all in one day, same day, next day service. So have a great new year and be successful. Get out there and hustle. Don't go into debt because you never know what our economy is gonna do. So be smart, hustle, make some cheddar.